beautiful people. My name is Sandy, and on this channel I teach on how you can grow, monetize and scale your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are that type that has been struggling with your YouTube, you're in the right place, because in this video today I'll be starting from scratch how you can open, how you can optimize, and the right settings you are going to be touching, you are going to be doing, you are going to be turning on in order for YouTube to be flying your videos. Okay, so I know a lot of people will be wondering, this is a new YouTube channel. Yes, I have other YouTube channel, and as you can see, here is one of my YouTube channels, and I started this particular YouTube channel 4 months ago, so don't be surprised I have such subscribers. So today I'm going to be starting with opening your YouTube channel, because it got to my notice that a lot of people do not even know how to create a YouTube channel. Now in this my channel you are seeing here, I don't teach there, but normally whenever I go on live stream I do teachings. So due to that fact, a lot of people normally ask me questions, and I think I've been able to solve a lot of problems regarding YouTube. So I decided to, just with that, I decided to open a fresh YouTube channel where I can just be doing the teaching here without going on my live stream in my other channel to do the teaching, so it can just be okay for everybody. Now the first thing here on my list is creating a YouTube channel. So that's the first thing on my list today. Now if you want to actually create your YouTube channel very well, this is how you are going to do it. I believe we all have YouTube in our phones, where we normally go to watch movies, where you are watching me right now. So this is what you are going to do. Get your phone, just open your YouTube. So let's go. Let me put you guys through on how you can actually create your channel and the things to do. Okay, let's go. So guys, all you need to do is to open your YouTube. By the time you open your YouTube, it's going to show you like this. Just click on that your profile picture there. Then it will take you to where you need to put your names, your necessary things. So it will bring you here, and now all you need to do is to click on this place, that pencil mark that I just marked. Then you see your name, your handle, your channel URL. Just write whatever you want to write, and that's how to create a YouTube